Hello everybody! Greeting from Frankfurt in Germany. Yes, this is my first visiting of Germany. Of course, Frankfurt. I am very happy. I wanted to come to Germany once, but I haven't here. So this is my first visiting, and now I am standing at the park of Frankfurt. This park is located between Hauptbahnhof of Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof and the city center. So over there you can see a dome style or arch style building. That is a Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. Still, my pronunciation is bad. It's a Frankfurt Central Station of Deutsche Bahn. And from the station, this route is called Kaiserstraße. It's a kind of a main street of this city. Along this street, there are many variety of international restaurants and supermarket and drugstores like that, or cafe. Very fun street to walk in the daytime. And now I am at the center of the skyscrapers. Yes, my image of Frankfurt is these skyscrapers. In front of me, it's a Euro Tower. This is Euro Tower, I think. So there is a big Euro monument. Yeah. I heard Frankfurt is the financial center of Europe. So there is not only the Deutsche Bank, there is a Euro Bank. No, I don't know, Euro financial something in this city. So there are many the buildings, the financial facilities here. And I had one of the buildings, we can climb up to the observatory. So the name is called Main Tower. Main is a river name, but it's not along the river. So I think some of those buildings, or one of those buildings is Main Tower. Okay, I will look for it. So Frankfurt is a mixture of old and new buildings. So here you can see an old building, and in front of me there are many modern buildings. So my direction was a little wrong. I made a mistake. I thought this area there is a Main Tower, but not. I have to walk a little bit more farther in the city. I'm very good at directions, but sometimes make mistake. But this city is not as difficult as Brussels, city center of Brussels. That was very difficult for me. Okay, so I am walking the middle of skyscrapers. Oh, can you see skyscrapers? Many buildings over there, and me. Okay, I think this tall building, the glass building, is a Main Tower. So let's check. Main Tower. And today it's pretty crowded. Many people are waiting in front of the buildings, and the signboard says viewing platform stop. I don't know what does stop meaning. So what does stop mean? So I arrived at the observatory now. The entrance fee was 9 euros and elevator speed was 18 kilometers per hour. Quite high, quite fast. And this observatory is located 55th floor. So it's about 200 meters high and the view is this. I don't know which direction is which one. I can see a very beautiful city. There are so many plants and parks around, inside and around this town. And that is a central station. So Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof. And our hotel is this direction. I don't know I can see or not. Maybe that area. Very close to the DB office tower. I like this view. I like the every train views, station views. And left side, it's a Main River. The Main River. Very beautiful view. And over there are woods. So this city is surrounded by forest or woods. And that area is a main shopping road. I think we walked yesterday. There are many department stores and special shops. I like walking that street. And you can see a cathedral, and around that cathedral there is a city hall area. I forgot the name of the plaza. I will go later and show you. And today I want to go that area, Sachsenhausen area, the old area of the Frankfurt city. So I enjoyed the overview of Frankfurt from the main tower. This tower observatory is a very popular place. So many people are on the observatory and enjoying watching the view, but the many people, the half of them are just chatting. I don't know why, just chatting. They didn't watch the view. That's interesting. So next I'm walking the city, and near of this main tower there is a birthplace of Goethe, the house of Goethe. So before going to the next place, I want to see the place, the Goethe-Haus. So I think this area is a business area. Today is Saturday, so very not empty but less crowded. Very few people are walking. So how can I get there? There is a construction, so do I have to walk? No? Oh, she's walking to that road. Okay, I can go, maybe. Walk. And I can see many pedestrians over there. So, I came to a very big plaza, square, and I found a statue of Goethe. No one is taking a picture, only I am taking a picture of Goethe statue. Very stunning statue. He is having rolled paper, maybe he's writing a poem, and left hand he's holding some kind of crown. And this place, this floor, this square, there are many luxurious shops. Prada, Louis Vuitton, Salvatore Ferragamo. Oh, maybe this place is luxurious square. Like Ginza in Japan. Maybe. So, let's walk to the Goethe-Haus. So I am walking to Goethe-Haus, and here is Goethe-Haus. Now it's a museum Goethe-Haus. So this is the place Goethe was born. But still it's cafe. Where is the entrance? Where? Goethe-Haus is over there? Over there. Okay.
Con la macchina sbaglia, che sbaglia
Still I can't find Goethe-Haus. Where is it? Where is it? Is this? But no one is here. Is it closed today? I don't know. Where is it? Some people are same as me, wandering around here. But I think this is the entrance of the museum. I think this is an entrance of the museum. So, that case, this is the Goethe-Haus, I think. So, today I won't go inside of this museum. Tomorrow it's Sunday, and Sunday it's still open. So, if possible, I want to come with Shinichi here. So, I want to eat or drink something. So, I'm going to walk to Römerberg. It's a very iconic Frankfurt Square. And the buildings are very nice. And around the Goethe-Haus, this town is very charming. I found very interesting. This is a gondola cabin, but it's cafe. Quite interesting idea. Oh, nice. Many cafes around here. Oh, Shinichi must love this atmosphere. Very nice. I like this mixture of old and new atmosphere. So Shinichi really loved Frankfurt. So now I know why he loves this place. Oh, there's a tram in this town. I did not know this. Oh, there's a tram system in this town. And now I'm standing in this atmosphere, the old building atmosphere. And I believe this road connected to the Römerberg. Oh, what a grand building! And the second floor, or the first floor, third floor? No, second floor. There's a bridge. I like that kind of bridge. Yes. This building, I don't know what building this is, but really well built. Now I came to Paulplatz. This is the church, Paulo Church, I think. So this is a Paulo Church, and this is a square, Paulo Square. There are many squared Platz in this town. I'm jealous. In Tokyo, I think there are less squares like this. The atmosphere is nice, and this atmosphere, the people are having a relaxed time here. That's jealous for me, and I don't know what this tree. Quite unique tree for me. What is this tree? Is this kind of tree, or in summer the leaves will grow? I don't know. It's like an object. Interesting. And around this plaza, there are many cafes and restaurants. And next to this plaza, here is a Römerberg. Römerberg, the very iconic place of Frankfurt. So this place is very popular. So it must be very crowded today because it is Saturday. But that's okay. I really want to visit this place, Römerberg. So this is the Römerberg, surrounded by very iconic buildings, and the most famous one maybe this building, these buildings. I like this iconic roof. It's like a stairs, very symbolic or iconic design. This is City Hall, I heard. Very beautiful building. I really need a photo, memorial photo here. I really like these buildings, design of these buildings. Maybe these are new buildings, but replicated or reproduced the old atmospheres. And some of them must be quite old. Nice. There are restaurants, cafes around this square. Okay, let's walk a little bit more. So next of Römerberg, this place is quite interesting. New old town. New old town. Quite new, but replicated the old atmosphere and old buildings. So maybe so it is called New Old Town. We came yesterday here once, and we had coffee and matcha latte. Shinichi drank matcha latte, but today I want to eat Frankfurt sausage because here is Frankfurt. Yesterday I found a shop, but I didn't try. So now, if I can. So, quite nice square, isn't it? Surrounded by charming buildings. Quite new. A cafe says, "Welcome to a whole new old town." That's pretty interesting. And the Frankfurt sausage shop is in front of me. Here is a shop. It's pretty long line today. Yesterday was empty. My German worked, so I bought this one. Frankfurter Bratwurst mit Brötchen. So this is the one purpose what I came to this city. I forgot to put mustard, so now I put a little bit mustard is necessary. Yeah. So, いただきます。I love sausage. Outside is very plumpy and nicely grilled. Inside, lots of umami, pork umami, and it matches with this mustard really nicely. It's Senf in German. I like this bread. Please listen to the sound.
No, but wait. They
This crispy bread. I like this one. Looks hard, but it's not. Outside, a little bit crispy, little firmer, but it's nicely toasted. And inside is light and crispy also, or fluffy. Between crispy and fluffy, and really tasty. I love this bread. Meat brochen. So I need this brochen. I satisfied eating the Frankfurter Bratwurst. I don't know. Still, I don't know the exact pronunciation. I really enjoyed the sausage one, hot dog. And this place is really charming, but over this old new town, new old town, there is a big cathedral. It's dome in Germany, in German.
Wow. Very nice, well-built cathedral.
More than several centuries. I heard. Wow. In Cologne, there is a huge dome, huge cathedral too, and it took more than 600 years. I appreciate they took so long time to build these cathedrals. Wow.
So, walk to over this dome. There is a river. Here is a river. It's Main River. The Main River. It's very famous river. Over there, you can see beautiful buildings and church. And these ships, sightseeing ship, I think. And between the ships, you can see Iron Bridge. It's very popular, very famous Iron Bridge here in Frankfurt.
Yesterday, I walked over that bridge. So today, there's another bridge that looks very. What shall I say? It's not the beautiful, not cool. What is the best word to describe? Stylish? I don't know. Please judge by yourself.
The bridge. Walk to that area. That's called the Sachsenhausen area. Shinichi really want to come.
I really like to walk along the river. In Tokyo, we are living in Tokyo, but in Tokyo, there is very less places like this. There is a big river called Sumida River, but along the Sumida River, it's not like this. There is a park, but not like this. It's just like concrete. Partially it is well designed as a park, but not whole place. And other rivers as not like this. So I'm very jealous that people can enjoy and have a relaxed time along this park, along this river.
So I cross over this bridge to the other side. Ooh, what is this bird? Is this wild bird? Whoa, でかっ。 Okay, walking on this bridge, and the view of Main River is beautiful. And over there, you can see the popular iron bridge.
On that bridge, many people put rock for eternal love. I really want to do in Cologne. Here you can do, maybe now, I don't know, it is prohibited now or not, but here is too. Nice view of Frankfurt Main River. The new buildings, rich and little old town. Very charming city. And nice to walk.
So I came to the other side of the river. This is museum, Ikonen Museum. The building is really good. And these buildings, there's a pretty modern buildings. So how can I get the Sachsenhausen area? Maybe that area is Sachsenhausen.
I believe I came to Sachsenhausen. Nice area.
Rainbow flags. Mystery of pizza. What is the mystery of the pizza? Beautiful flower shop. Florist. Tulip season. Or the other. Crocus, hyacinth. The season is coming now. It's springtime. Already it's March. It's springtime. Oh, nice. Beautiful cityscape. Oh, Shinichi must love this place.
Many cafes have tables outside, but maybe it's winter time. There's very less outside tables. But it's very beautiful. That is hotel, red, white walls buildings. This one is made with brick, whiskey spritz. The atmosphere is really, really beautiful and nice. This is really nice. And there's a cafe named Baking with Love. What a charming name. Many cafes and nice shops here.
This is hair club, hair salon, I think. I wish I can get my hair cut here. I wish. Only beard, okay? Oh, there's another charming street. This corner, every side, every direction has a nice shops. Oh, here's a table. Cafe. Another, the charming path over there. Over this path, over this place. Oh, nice. There are tables. It must be really nice to have beer or apple wine. Is it too cold to spend outside today? Maybe. But if possible, I want to come with Shinji here and have apple wine.
I like apple wine now. Yes, I heard about apple wine. It's a specialty of this city, of this place. And for me, it's really tasty.
I like this apple wine. It has sourness and also a little bit sweetness and slight bitterness. That's interesting combination. It's like a white wine but made with apple flavor. It depends on brand or brewery. We drank another place. It has a much stronger apple flavor. It's like a apple juice for me. But this one is more closer to white wine. Yeah, made with grapes. But either way, I like apple wine.
Just strolling this area. It's very nice atmosphere.
These buildings, it's some graffitis, but look, these buildings is a painting, drawing. This is a iconic, I think it's milk or mustard bowl. Very nice, very nice. Oh, yeah. Beautiful art on the wall. And the buildings, houses, I like this window. The around window, they are using another color, another painting color. Yeah, that's fantastic. Here's another art. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I totally did not know this place. Wow. It's very fun to walk this area. Look.
This area, lots of cafe outside table. It must be very cold, but it's good to have a time outside. Yesterday, the weather was very nice, so if we came here yesterday, it must be really nice. Nice and warm and drinking wine, apple wine. Every place, every corner of this town is very nice for me. I forgot how many times I said this word. Charming, very charming, cheerful place. The buildings are very beautiful. It's integrated. Many cafes and nice buildings.
Look, is that a house? The center one, is that a house? The window is really good. Interesting design. And here's a cafe, a restaurant, and other shops. This road is also very charming. I learned a little bit about
Frankfurt traffic control signal.
there are two traffic controls for pedestrians, and it works independently. Even if the second pedestrian traffic control is green, the first one is still red.
One time I made a mistake and some scooter poo. So be careful.
Coincidentally, I came to a very nice place. Wow, it must be apple wine tram. Wow, nice, so cute. Coincidentally, I came to a very charming Shotendai, the shopping street. This is one, but over there you can see many shops. Both sides. Nice. And at the corner, I found a bakery. The Lieblingsplatz. Lieblingsplatz. Maybe, I don't know. But it looks really nice. Looks delicious. Oh, so I bought this cake.
J'ai des gros sacs.
Frankfurter Kranz for Shinichi. And this is it. I haven't tried this one. Maybe this is very specialty of this town. I'm really looking forward to try this with Shinichi. Okay, so I'm going back to the city center. So I came back to the Main River, and walking on another bridge, different bridge, and here you can see a park, a beautiful park. I want to have a cozy time here. Today is cloudy and chill, so if it is fine weather, clear weather, it must be really nice. And here's the trees I saw at the Churchplatz. The tree is also here. Maybe it must be a common tree here in Germany. I want to see in summer how the leaves grow. I'm very curious. Okay, I am walking to city center, walking on the bridge. Over there, it's a Manhattan, like Manhattan. This is main river, maybe. So it is called Manhattan. The river view is quite nice, and the contrast with this iconic city buildings. So I came back to the city center of Frankfurt. It's a park in Manhattan area. So I'm glad if you know about a little bit about Frankfurt. I learned a little bit about Frankfurt. I want to stay more here and walk many places to learn this place. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's my city walking. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on next adventure. Bye bye.